Hi, this is Himanshu Soni, and this is a demo video for medical appointment scheduling system. As the text tag suggested, front end should be in XJS, back end should be in Express.js. So these conditions are fulfilled, and my project has all the core features stated here, as well as the bonus, all the bonus. So I'll start with the backend structure, how's the project structure and works. So so I followed a mono repo structure because I didn't want it to have two different packages, and I wanted to share I wanted to share these types amongst these packages. So that's why I choose mono repo. So in mono repo, I've created three packages: backend, frontend, and shared. Shared has types of these are the usual types that we will use across the project. So, and this repo is shared among both the projects. So, let's begin from backend. Backend is basic Express.js server with the multiple router support and have all the errors being handled in these middlewares not found in Ironbuild. And along with that, I have also implemented Swagger documentation on this route so that you can check all the documentation for these APIs on the server. And yeah, that's it. Let's check out the routes. So here I have used three different uh, routes: slash doctor, slash appointment, and slash auth. Okay. And here I have created two middlewares: authenticate and authorize. Authenticate is a middleware which checks for the JSON web token, verifies it, and respond accordingly. And if the user is verified, and it appends the user object to the request. Second one is authorize. It provides a role-based access uh, to the to the APIs. So let's say here's an example: Doctor root. So this is a doctor root, and here these are the public routes slash like fetching the doctor by ID, checking the availability. These are the public routes. Whereas uh, we have protected route as well, like authenticate. Using authenticate means the user must be logged in to access it, and having authorized admin means the person who is logged in should have the rule admin to integrate to work on this API, to use this API. Similarly, the only doctor, like line 21 states that only doctor and admin can update the doctor object and use this API. Same with the line number 22, the admins are authorized to delete doctors. So that's how the middleware works. The structure is clean. I have controllers here, middlewares here, and I have models, specific folder, routes in a specific folder. And along with that, I have added some additional types for uh, fixing those TypeScript errors and utils, MongoDB utils for connecting with the MongoDB server. So that's about the backend. And there is one more thing that is missing here. Yeah, it's in a reminder. So I created this service which handles all the up, appointment stuff. Like whenever you create an appointment, a job is created on the Redis and it is triggered after 15 seconds on the console. So that's how it works. I wanted to integrate the push notification here, but due to time constraint, I'm not able to complete this one. So, okay, now getting back to the front end, this is how So, so this is a landing page. This is the login page. Okay, so let's try the flow without authenticating the user. This is the list doctor. You can search for doctor, let's say 15, or you want a urologist. That's how you do. Let's book an appointment for the cardiologist. So this is the authenticated flow, means you have to log in before booking any appointment with any doctor. So I'll register a new account. One contact mail, 1234, go, password now. The user is logged in, and let's see if we have to open here or not. Alright. So I'll book an appointment with the doctor, selecting today's date. These are the slots which are already used by other patients. That's why it says it's unavailable. And this check is also on backend. Like even if user is able to select any of these slots, then the API, this thing is also checked in the backend. Like if, and so this what it does, it avoids the race condition amongst the different patients having the time like wanted to have time slot at the same time. The general reservation, pain. Uh, the appointment summary, and when you will click on confirm booking, the appointment is done. These are the past appointments, and as we don't have any past appointment, it's not shown here. Getting back to the dashboard, here you can see upcoming appointment, and in the console you will get predict console you will get appointment reminder here. Find a user appointment with the doctor one, cardiology, date, reason, and note. So this is the full flow. Along with this, I wanted to register doctors and allow them to have UI to edit their time slot, put on their availability, and edit their profile. So that's not the scope for this project. So I'm here. There's one more thing that I wanted to show. I've also created a profile page for doctor. So here you'll have biography, schedule of doctor, and reviews. So yeah, that's it. And I'm thank you, Kristo, for giving me this interesting assignment, and I really enjoyed working on it. Looking forward for the feedbacks over it, and what are the things that I can improve, and what are the things I can uh, uh, add to it. And here's the Swagger UI working. Let me show you. 500 slash. So this is the Swagger UI. All the documentation has been done here. Great. Signing off. Bye bye.